Whistleblower legal support in government secrecy cases, protecting truth behind closed doors. Learn how whistleblower legal support helps protect those exposing government classified information, balancing secrecy and transparency in tough cases. Whistleblower legal support in government secrecy cases, what everybody needs to know. Hey, I want to tell you about something I find really fascinating and also super important. Whistleblower legal support in cases involving government secrecy. Now, if you've ever thought about what happens when someone inside the government exposes stuff they're not supposed to, like classified info or secret policies, you'll get why this is a big deal. So basically, whistleblowers are insiders who decide to speak up about wrongdoing, corruption, or illegal activities within the government. But here's the kicker. When the information they reveal is related to government classified information or government secret policies, things get complicated fast. Government confidentiality and government information secrecy laws are there to protect certain documents and operations. These laws aren't just about hiding things for no reason. Sometimes they're genuinely about national security and protecting people. However, their scope can be broad and, frankly, a bit murky, which means some wrongdoing might get buried under layers of government document secrecy. Imagine this. You're a government employee, and you know that some secret policy is causing harm or pushing illegal activity. You want to report it, but how do you do that without risking your job, your safety, or even facing criminal charges for exposing classified information? This is exactly why whistleblower legal support is critical. Legal support for whistleblowers in these scenarios isn't just a nice-to-have, it's essential. Lawyers who specialize in this field understand the complexities of government transparency issues and confidentiality laws. They help whistleblowers navigate incredibly tricky waters, protecting their rights, advising on how to safeguard sensitive information, and ensuring their disclosures are made lawfully. Now, a lot of people assume whistleblowers just shout things from the rooftops. Actually, it's more strategic and protected than that. There are legal channels and frameworks that help balance the need for exposing government wrongdoing with the responsibility of keeping genuinely sensitive information secure. What's really interesting is how whistleblower legal support also aims to protect against retaliation. The government or agencies might not take kindly to insiders spilling secrets, so legal experts also focus on whistleblower protection laws, ensuring these brave individuals have a safety net. Also, it's worth noting that the conversation around government transparency issues keeps evolving. New policies, court rulings, and even public pressure influence how whistleblowing cases are treated, especially when the stakes involve government information secrecy. Switching gears just a bit, if you're into thrillers and want a fascinating fictional glimpse into this world of secrets, manipulation, and shadowy government dealings, I highly recommend Hush, a psychological thriller of alien manipulation and deep state deceit. It's a suspenseful read that really captures the paranoia and complexity of dealing with classified government issues and secret policies. Whether you prefer ebook, print, or audio, you can buy now here and get pulled into a story that feels almost too close to reality sometimes. To wrap this up, if you or someone you know is in the position of handling sensitive information and is thinking about whistleblowing, remember this. Don't go it alone. Legal advice is key. Understand the government's rules on secrecy and confidentiality. Know your rights and the protections available. Whistleblowers play a vital role in improving government transparency issues, but they face real risks. Whistleblower legal support shines a light on the path forward, helping brave people do the right thing without risking everything. It's an ongoing balancing act between duty to the public and respecting government document secrecy. Anyway, it's a complex but fascinating part of how our government functions behind the scenes, and a reminder that sometimes the most important stories come from those willing to stand up even in the shadows. Links. Hush, a psychological thriller of alien manipulation and deep state deceit. Buy now in ebook, print, or audio.